Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. So this is the painting you guys are going to see in the video today. It is one of my gradient Dutch pours, and I'm really liking this orange and yellow with the beige background. I think that looks really pretty. I'm not really liking the blow part too much. I feel like it's a little bit muddy with the colors. But I do really like the lacing effect of this. I think that's really pretty as well. I did not video me painting the gradient for this particular painting, but I have other YouTube videos of me painting the gradient. So if you guys go and check out my older videos on YouTube, you will see it there. I also have an online course for the gradient Dutch pour that's available on my website, crystalcoastoriginals.com. So if you're looking for a more in-depth tutorial about how I do the gradient Dutch pour, you can find it there. As usual, the colors and the formula will be listed in the description box. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you on the next one.